Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and yun nga, tingnan natin maganda pa ba mag-invest sa Philippine stock market. So, first, ang pinakamaganda nating tingnan is yung sentiment, no, and yung mga news about our economy, no. So, kung hindi niyo siya masyado na iintindihan, it's okay, no. Just read it and eventually you will just get it, no, and learn more about the Philippine economy or any other country's economy. Very basic lang naman, no. If you really want, or if you are really serious about investments, or if you really want to do stock market investments, you really have to. But if you don't have the time, no, I highly encourage you or invite you to the Truly Rich Club, where we give you webinars and also give you ideas on what stocks to buy, when to sell, or until what price you will buy, no, or you will continue do peso cost averaging, no. So nandiyan na yung link niyan sa my description box below, or sa my link sa bio natin, no. And yun nga, first you need to look at the news and everything, the economy, and also yan, may mga technicals dito. It's still a buy, no. And yun nga yung sentiment nila. And let's check. Okay, so this is on a 1-day time frame, and so let's look at the bigger picture, no. Yan. Okay, so paano nga ba tayo kikita sa ganitong market, no? So again, I highly encourage you to do peso cost averaging. Kasi if you do peso cost averaging, you can buy here, kahit na pataas pa yan, you will still capture, no, the highs and lows of the market. But eventually, if this one breaks, yan, dito ka bumili sa baba na to, sa circle na to. If you do peso cost averaging and if it breaks, go up, you will profit a lot, no? Kasi bumangko ka dito during the time na nagko-consolidate pa siya, no? So it may seem like there's nothing happening, pero everything will just go up, especially with the Philippines, and we are considered as an emerging market, no. So kahit na yun nga, there's a lot of happening sa political scene natin dito sa Philippines, and it may seem na wala naman nangyayari talaga, but we still have a lot of companies that could drive investments, no. So from here, and this is the pandemic, no, but look at that, no. Ang bilis niyang tumaas from March to December, bumalik na siya sa dati niyang presyo. And ayun nga, I would say you buy near the 5,700 or the 6,000 levels, and what you can do is you can sell here pag tumaas siya dito at 7,500 levels, no. Paano pa mag-invest dito sa PSEI index, no. So we do have index funds na nire-recommend, and that's what you can invest on, no. So those are the instruments na pwede ka mag-invest, no. They are managed by fund managers na ini-imitate lang yung galaw ng PSEI index. Okay? And yun nga, you can buy here, then sell here. Okay? Very easy. Yan. This is my favorite kind of trade, no. Buy here, sell here. Okay? Buy here, sell here. Basta mag-buy ka lang sa support level. This is the support. Yan, yung lapag, no, yung floor, and this is the resistance, no. Yan. Or yung ceiling. Okay? So ganyan lang. Bili ka lang dito, then you sell here. Okay? And once it breaks, or you can do a different kind of investment strategy wherein you just continue to buy whenever, wherever. And then, kahit na matagal yan, it will give you a lot of time to accumulate and accumulate and accumulate. And eventually, once it goes up, boom, di ba? It will go up. So, tingnan natin yung all-time yan, no? So, merong all-time yan eh. Okay, so 1987, di ba? 1987, this is just 500. 1987, after how many years? 40 years. Di ba? If you have that kind of time frame, okay, going up to eventually 9,000. And ang laki na profit mo. Okay? Pang retirement na yan. Okay? Pamana na rin yan. Alright, so let's go back to the 1 day time frame. And yun nga, okay, so that's it. And yeah, no, we can do a range trade here. That's what we can do. Range trade lang tayo, or we can do cost averaging. So it doesn't matter, just put money here, or just make it like a savings bank, or put a fixed amount every month. That's called peso cost averaging. Kahit na anong price niyan, you continue buying, buy and buy, and then until such time it breaks out, then you will have your profit. So that's what we can do with this kind of market. Doesn't really matter how long, or we can do a range trading here. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.